Hi! In front of me is Tecno Spark Go 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text messages on this device. Begin by opening Messages app. Now select one of your chats and click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Then you can click on one of your photos over here, or even couple of them, or tap on this icon with a photo on the left instead. Then click on your pictures over here and select Add at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!